This is our Mr. Cornwall's Super Duper oil. Crazy name, but you know what better to call it? It's not super penetrating. It's not the regular Odie's oil. It's the Super Duper oil. So, but anyway, this oil here is a very thin version. As you can see, you can hear it. It's liquid, very liquidy, very thin. Probably about the consistency of a thin olive oil. This product is excellent for those that just want a simple, easy wipe-on, wipe-off finish in the format of a Danish oil. It's not a replacement for the original Odie's oil, and it's not a replacement for anything else. It's not purportedly better than anything else here. It's better in certain situations. Great for large surfaces, great on decks, fences, log cabins, floors. The clear version is excellent for exterior, but it's also can be used on furniture. Chests or drawers, whatever woodworking project you want to do. It even works on the steel and the masonry and the stone and the concrete, all that. It's got all those same properties. The only thing I probably wouldn't use it on would be the leather, but I'm sure some people are going to use it on leather and love it. It has all the same properties as the regular Odie's, but it's even better for exterior because it's going to be easier to apply. It does have a similar look to a Danish oil, but much higher sheen, far more beautiful, more clarity. You can use this with our Mr. Cornwall's creative colors, hence the name Mr. Cornwall's Super Duper oil. It's my favorite way to blend a stain with our products. Not necessarily the only way, but one of my favorite ways. It gives you a very simple stain, easy to do, easy to use, wipe on, wipe off. This is not a one coat finish. This is a multiple coat finish. So if you have a surface and you just want to use this, I'd probably put 2 to 3 coats on. This product, you can basically use it to take the place of pretty much any other conventional style finish on the market in a thin format. This will blow away any Danish oil on the market, any other hard wax oil on the market. That's our Super Duper oil. It comes in a 32-ounce size and a 9-ounce size. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more amazing products that we will be bringing out to you in the near future.